How you doing, Raphael? My name is Aaron Fireball. I want to thank you for this opportunity of the giveaway for the people in the Masterclass. I just want to say thank you. I saw the text, and I know that I can do well with it, so I'm going to go ahead and try. I wrote down the questions here, and I'm just going to give my honest opinion, my honest answer on them. What was the biggest obstacle in my trading career? Without a doubt, it was the psychology, the greed, the impatience. I had to change a lot about myself to become a better trader. And when I did make those changes, I became a better trader. What part of the masterclass had the biggest impact on you? For sure, the confluence. In the top-down analysis, the confluence really helped me to start putting things in confluence and by myself, just to start to see things more clear. What's your goal for the next 3 years? To support my family and friends. I had a son 4 months ago, so that's given me more ambition to just keep going, and I'll never stop trading. But for sure to support my family and friends, without a doubt. Do I think the masterclass will get me there? Absolutely. It's already helped me so much. It continues to help me, especially with the group text and everything, and everyone interactive in it, and your call outs and seeing your mind on the charts definitely has helped me, and it most definitely. Best advice to an absolute beginner. Being disciplined and patient will get you further faster, rather than trying to hurry up and speed and trying to get to this goal of, this and whatever. If you're just patient and disciplined, you'll get there much faster than you think you will. And once again, I just want to say thank you for being a person that shares their knowledge of trading to people that are willing to learn. And I also just want to say thank you again for this opportunity. Thank you. Have a great day.